you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Wow. Do you have anything else you want to tell us? Anything at all?
Can I watch the video after you take Benny?
Yes. What else do you want to tell us?
Can I watch it?
Yeah, let me finish taping it, and then of course we'll watch it, okay? He's just being goofy, so I wanted to take a video. What's so funny? What's so funny, Dan? No, Drew.
Oh, I can't see me.
Because I'm pointing the camera toward Ben right now. Oh, I'm getting a little frantic. All done? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You don't know what to do.